Drones are becoming more a part of the modern battlefield, and the wars of the 21st century are being increasingly fought with the development of new tech rather than on the front line. This is why the RAF's Jackal drone is poised to be a game changer when it comes to military weaponry. This UAV has proven itself to do a significant task that other drones can't. This might be the difference between winning and losing a battle. Let's take a closer look at what that task was and what makes the Jackal so special. But before we get started, if you enjoyed this video and would like to see more just like it, remember to give us a like and subscribe to Military World to get more sent straight to your notifications. The Jackal is a small, lightweight, modular vertical takeoff and landing drone, which is expected to fill a critical position in the future unmanned Air Force concept for advanced combat operations. The drone platform is the work of Flyby Technology, a UK startup, and brainchild of